Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Tuesday, March 14th, 2017, and it's a wee bit blustery out here. We're actually in the middle of a nor'easter right now, and I decided to call out from work, so I wanted to go fishing. What else are you going to do when you're off work? So I'm here at the local pond, in the wind, in the sleet, like an idiot, trying to see if I can catch some fish today. I guess it's official. It's a sickness. Oh, come on, really? Oh, this is turning into a disaster. Turning? It was a disaster when as soon as I left my apartment. If the water were about 10 degrees warmer, I'd really like my chances here. If the weather seems bad, and it is, believe me, it was supposed to be a lot worse. We were supposed to get about a foot of snow, but we got about 3 to 4 inches, and then it turned into rain. So as you can see, most of it is pretty much washed away. And now we're getting sleet. So just remember, no matter how bad things are, it could always be worse. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh! Look at this. In the middle of the storm of the century. It just goes to show you, no matter what the weather, there are fish to catch. This is a beauty too. Nice fat chunky largemouth. Alright. I love it when a plan comes together. Alright. Back she goes. Caught him on the Rebel Humpback crankbait. It's a really nice shallow running crankbait. It's one of my favorites. I've caught a lot of fish on it. And I can add one more to the list. And that one was special. Alright, I've had enough. I gotta go home and get warm. Weather finally beat me. But not before I caught a very respectable largemouth bass. So, just goes to show you. Next time there's a blizzard coming through your area with heavy snow and sleet and rain and 30-mile-an-hour winds, grab your rod and go fishing, because you never know. So, thank you all for joining me today, and I will see you on the next, hopefully warmer, adventure.